Hi, let's look at how to upload a video to YouTube, edit the automatically generated captions, and present the video in Canvas. First, you need to sign into YouTube. You can navigate to YouTube and then use the sign in button in the upper right hand corner. I'm already signed in with the FDC account, so you'll see the FDC logo there. Next, you'll want to click Your Videos. Then you'll see any videos that you already have listed there. To add a new video, you want to click Create in the upper right corner and click Upload Videos. You can select the file or files and click Open. It will take just a moment because this is a very short video. You can name the video there. You can also scroll down and determine if it is made for kids or if it's not. Generally, you're going to say no, because this will be for our college students. If you do select it's made for kids, it's going to have additional restrictions. Then you can click Show More. You will want to scroll down and select the language. In this case, it was in English, so I'll scroll down to English United States, and then click Next. The rest of these settings you can next through until you get to visibility. Here's where you likely are going to select Unlisted. This means that only students that have the link will be able to see the video. If you mark it private, you'd actually have to enter the accounts of the people that would have access to that. So mark it unlisted and anyone with the link will be able to see it. If you mark it public, people will be able to search for it and find it on the internet. Then click Save. You can actually right here close past this. If it's a longer video, it's going to take longer for this to upload. Once it's done, it will appear here in your listing. One of the things you may want to do is select a cover photo. You'll notice the cover photo on here isn't very appealing. So I'm going to go back into editing, clicking the pencil, and come down here under thumbnail. It'll give you several options. My video was pretty boring, so there weren't a lot of options there. But you can also upload your own thumbnail. So I'm going to select an image that I created for this and click Open. And now you can see that the thumbnail is something that looks a little more interesting. And click Save. Depending on the length of a video, it's going to take a certain amount of time to auto caption. You're going to go over here to Subtitles to check to see if it's captioned. You'll notice there's only one entry here. That means that it has not captioned yet. So we're going to need to wait for that to caption. Check back anywhere between a half hour and 2 hours later and it should be captioned. Longer videos might take a longer amount of time. One other trick is that if you don't start speaking right away in your video, it may not caption. So be sure there's some sort of audible noise at the very start of your video. For the sake of this demo, I'm going to go back to my channel content and select a different video. I'm going to select this brain break video and once again go to Subtitles. You'll see that YouTube automatically generated this set here. That's English Automatic. I'm going to click Duplicate and Edit. This screen is going to produce a full transcript of the auto-generated captions that YouTube provides. You can edit here by simply typing into the text box. You'll need to correct capitalization and punctuation. You also might need to correct spelling in a few cases. When you're finished, you want to click Publish. You'll see that it added this additional entry here that you can go back and edit if you would like. To watch the video, on the left-hand side, you can click the View on YouTube. It'll load the video, and I have the sound turned off right now, but as it starts to play, you can see the captions are now there. You can turn those captions on and off using the CC at the bottom. When it's time to post this in your course, you have two options. You're going to want to go down to Share, and the first option is just to copy the URL. You can then go into your class. I'm going to select this course and click Edit. And let's say I wanted to insert the video just at the bottom of the purpose statement. I can just paste that URL directly in here. I would want to likely rename this, so I can go to Link Options, and the text would be something like video showing XYZ and click done. The other option is you can actually embed the entire video into a frame here. To do that, you want to return to your video on YouTube and click embed. Under embed, you're going to want to click copy, and it's going to copy this code up here. Return to your Canvas course, and you can select insert and embed and place that code there and click submit. Now it actually inserts the video into your course. So you have those two options. If I click save to show you what this looks like, you'll see both options are presented. You have a link that will launch the video, or you can actually embed it and they can play it directly from your course. And that's it. Thank you. For more tutorials, check out our YouTube channel, Faculty Development Center, CSUF. For upcoming workshops, check out our website at fdc.fullerton.edu.